have paraffin mga shoes, jewels, baka pati iPhone 17.
Wow!
Yes!
Ikaw muna ganun. Ito, port 1 ka mo. Yan.
Port number 1, Jimida Gerald.
Okay, port 2.
Okay ba yun? Yung artista natin. Dito na. What's up guys? Another day pare. We are here at the Gentry Open 2025. Kasama natin syempre si Pare Cholo. We just arrived guys and it's almost 10 AM will be our ceremonial serve which will be the bang to start this tournament open. So here we have GWM. Shoutout kay GWM. Maraming salamat. Our presenter for this tournament. Hi ma'am, kamusta pala?
Hello, we're
How
good.
are you?
Thank you so much for allowing us.
Ganda. Ba't mas maganda yung tank nyo kaysa sa amin?
Pwede natin mapag-usapan yan, hi.
Yung tank nila para yung defender ko. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. I'll tour you kung ano yung makikita nyo pag pumunta kayo dito. Again, I'm inviting everyone kung sino mga gusto pumunta rito sa Gentry Open 2025. Please be here. Pinakamagandang days to be here is on October 16 to 19 is the most special day. Hello guys! Morning! And registration of players and guests as well. Here in this area, we have our concessionaires sa mga restaurant, pare. Dito, meron tayo yung mga foods natin. We have first is the Champs Burger, pare. Oh. May burger stand dito. After that, we have Buff Coffee Club, Potato Corner. And Captain Calamares, nandito yung pare. Sarap yan. Here we have all about food. Sir, kamusta? Morning! Kamusta?
Boss, baka kilala mo to?
Yes, ako yan! Grabe! May video pala kami niyan. Laging ito yung iniinom ko for, you know, health check, healthy. So here we have Gentry Open. Dito meron pa rin tayong mga some food din. Gentry Open 2025, ayan. Here, our photo booth para sa mga gusto mag-picture, ganyan, nandito. Here naman, we have High Essence. Ang bango ng corner niyo talaga. Hi ma'am, kamusta? Ayan, mga diffusers nila. Thank you so much ma'am for supporting this event. Of course, we have Babulat. May mga ano tayo dito. We have all the mga materials, mga sports rackets. Ayan, ang dami. Ayan.
Wow, eto na.
Boss, kamusta? Ang tagapangalaga ng aming mga sasakyan. Grabe ah. Ganda ng booth nyo, to be honest. Yes, also our platinum sponsor kasi si Primo Shine. O lahat ng kotse ko guys, naka-PPF yan. Print Protection Film by Primo Shine.
Yung binanggaan ni Omar.
Oo, yung binangga ni Omar. Di nagasgasan, boss. Nagasgasan. Pero dinomandar yung kotse.
Okay, nandito ka! Nagdademo kami. Waterfalls.
We also have here si Luxtrust by Amethyst. Hello guys! Ganda ng booth nyo mama.
Club kami sa Sparring High. We're giving 2 free slots sa watch authentication workshop during this Gentry Open.
Really?
Yes.
45K value sa mga guests na pumunta.
Yes.
Actually guys, to all the people that would like to visit us here, CSA Bulacan to guys, go kasi marami tayong paraffin din. We have paraffin mga shoes, jewels, baka pati iPhone 17.
Wow!
Yes. Raffle will happen on October 19. Kaya if you can guys go on October 19, then marami talagang paraffin sa October 19. Yung updated kung ano nangyari dun sa court natin. Kita ko sa'yo, tara, taas tayo para makita natin yung buong view. Nandito yung medic and help desk natin, mga organizers natin nandito. Ayan, sina Direk. Kamusta?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Kamusta? Ano, ilan na nanalo? Marami na nanalo?
Marami na. Qualifier.
Qualifier pa lang.
Start tayo ng main draw.
Main draw will start 10 AM today, no? Sige, game. Sayang, saya. Yan na.
Ikaw muna
Alin?
mag-announce. Ito, port 1 ka mo. Yan.
Port number 1, 9 AM, Jules Open versus Jimida Gerald.
Okay ba yun?
Okay, port 2.
Okay ba yun? From Thailand!
May mga taga-Thailand din.
Mga international players dito. Yung men's doubles, we have the men's qualifying singles. Shoutout nga pala kay Extreme Appliances guys. All mga players pala guys. So, dito yung mga players natin, no? Pakita ko sa inyo yung media team tara guys. Hello po! Yan, media team natin nandito. Patrick Zero. Oo. Organizer. Is here pare, yung artista natin. Sakto, hindi pa ako nagse-ceremonial serve. Pag nag-ceremonial serve tayo mamaya.
Paapoy mo ba yung bola? Hindi.
Oo. Papaano yun? All the sponsors that came here, all the players that came here as well and compete for their cars on this tournament. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. The Gentry Open 2025. guys, wrap up the day. Nakapag-ceremonial serve na tayo. Nag-start na yung game guys. Very competitive yung mga players. Grabe guys. Yung mga international players pang pumunta. Kaya yun guys, I'll see you on October 19. 16 to 19. Pero if you can come to 19th, better kasi may mga parapol tayo sa 19. Kaya kita-kits.